Om Dham Dhanantre Namaha. Tannins. Tannins or tannoids are a class of astringent polyphenolic biomolecules that bind to and precipitate proteins and various other organic compounds, including amino acids and alkaloids. The term tannin is widely applied to any large polyphenolic compound containing sufficient hydroxyls and other suitable groups, such as carboxyls, to form strong compounds with various macromolecules. The term tannin, from scientific French tannin, from French tan, crushed oak bark, tanner to tan, cognate with English tannin, medieval Latin tannere from Proto-Celtic tannos oak, refers to the abundance of these compounds in oak bark, which was used in tanning animal hides leather. The tannin compounds are widely distributed in many species of plants where they play a role in protection from predation, acting as pesticides, and might help in regulating plant growth. The astringency from the tannins is what causes the dry and puckery feeling in the mouth following the consumption of unripened fruit, red wine, or tea. Likewise, the destruction of or modification of tannins with the time plays an important role when determining harvesting times. Structure and classes of tannins. There are three major classes of tannins shown below as the base unit or monomer of the tannin. Particularly in the flavone-derived tannins, the base shown must be additionally heavily hydroxylated and polymerized in order to give high molecular weight polyphenol motif that characterize tannins. Typically, tannin molecules require at least 12 hydroxyl groups and at least 5 phenyl groups to function as protein binders. Oligostilbenoids. Oligostilbenes or polystilbenes are oligomeric forms of stilbenoids and constitute a minor class of tannins. Pseudotannins. Pseudotannins are low molecular weight compounds resisted with other compounds. They do not change color during the Goldbeater's skin test, unlike hydrolyzable and condensed tannins, and cannot be used as tanning compounds. Some examples. Test for tannins. There are three groups of methods for the analysis of tannins: precipitation of proteins or alkaloids, reaction with phenolic rings, and depolymerization. Alkaloid precipitation. Alkaloids such as caffeine, cinchonin, quinine, or strychnine precipitates polyphenols and tannins. This property can be used in a quantitation method. Gold beater's skin test. When gold beater's skin or ox skin is dipped in HCl, rinsed in water, soaked in the tannin solution for 5 minutes, washed in water, and then treated with 1% FeSO4 solution, gives a blue-black color if tannin was present. Perchloride test. These are the tests for tannin. Other methods, the hide powder method is used in tannin analysis for leather tannin, and the Stastny method for wood adhesives. Statistical analysis reveals that there is no significant relationship between the results from the hide powder and the Stasny methods. White powder method. Stasny's method. Reaction with phenolic trees. The bark tannins of Commiphora angolensis have been revealed by the visual color and precipitation tannin reactions and by quantitative determination by the methods of Lowenthal, Proctor, and Daiges formalin hydrochloric acid method. Colorimetric methods have existed, such as the Neuber-Lowenthal method, which uses potassium permanganate as an oxidizing agent and indigo sulfate as an indicator, originally proposed by Lowenthal. It is itself. Uses. Tannins are an important ingredient in the process of tanning leather. Tan bark from oak, mimosa, chestnut, and fir Verbracho tree has traditionally been the primary source of tannin, though inorganic tanning agents are also in use today and account for 90% of the world's leather production. Tannins produce different colors with ferric chloride, either blue, blue-black, or green to greenish black, according to the type of tannin. Iron gall increase produced by treating a solution of tannins with iron sulfate. Tannins can also be used as a mordant and are especially useful in natural dyeing of cellulose fibers, such as cotton. Type of tannin used may or may not have an impact on the final color of the fiber. Tannin is and is a component in a type of industrial particle board adhesive developed jointly by the Tanzania Industrial Research and Development Organization and Forintech Labs Canada. Pinus radiata tannins has been investigated for the production of wood adhesiveness. Tannins can be used for production of anti-corrosive printers for treating rusted steel surfaces prior to painting, converting rust to iron dannate and consolidating and sealing the surface. The use of resins made of tannins has been investigated to remove mercury and methyl mercury from solution. Mobilized tannins have been tested to recover uranium from seawater. So there are some examples for tannins. Ambient, black etch, mirabella, and other. So photos included. So today we have discussed about tanning. Thank you for patient hearing.